Hi, it's Miss Todoric, and this is Mia's Pretty Little Toys. Subscribe to her channel. She has content, everyone. A lot of these shout outs that I'm doing, you can get your own shout out for 99 cents. However, and that includes a YouTube short. But if I do come across a channel that has actually, they changed their profile pic, they have some content. She does a ton of videos with Minnie, Mickey, all little toys, Barbies, a lot of fun over here. You can take a look. I can quickly click on one.
There. And then Ken got his drink, which he already finished. Look at this theme of the fun. Hey guys.
I love the Barbies. I actually like this channel. So keep posting. And every now and then I'll come back and take a look and check on your progress. I like what I see here. Maybe get a cute little banner. This is great. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's do some more YouTube shorts. Let's take a look at this one.
I don't know.
Give it a thumbs up.
Guys, we should wait. I found a door right over there.
Yeah, but the thing is, we need a car to.
It says.
We need a car so we can drive back home. We're done. We're done.
You could open it.
I cannot believe that you left the keys inside the car. It's already 1 a.m. I need to go to sleep. And besides, there's some creepy guy looking at us, Jesse.
Yeah.
So cute.
There's some guy looking at us in the corner over there. He looked at us. He's looking at us. Oh my gosh, what do we do?
Okay, I think we should just.
No, Mia.
I love the intense sound effects. Very good. I enjoyed that short. All right, bell is about to ring. Let me go. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.